Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mark Viber chats as unread on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Viber application on your Android phone. Once you're in the app, you'll see your list of conversations displayed on the main screen. Now, take a moment to scroll through your chats and locate the specific conversation or chat that you want to mark as unread. This could be any conversation, whether it's an individual chat with a friend or a group conversation. This feature is particularly useful when you've opened a message but want to remind yourself to respond to it later, or if you need to keep track of important conversations that require follow-up action. Once you've found the conversation you're looking for, here's what you need to do next. Press and hold your finger on that specific chat. You'll need to keep your finger pressed on the conversation for just a second or two until a menu appears on your screen. This long press action is a common gesture in Android apps that brings up additional options and actions you can perform on the selected item. Make sure you're pressing directly on the chat you want to mark, as this gesture needs to register properly for the menu to appear. After you press and hold, a pop-up menu will appear with several options for managing that conversation. From the list of options that appear, you'll see one that says Mark as Unread. Go ahead and tap on this option. When you tap it, the conversation will immediately be marked as unread, and you'll notice that the chat now appears with an unread indicator, just as if you had never opened it in the first place. This visual cue makes it stand out from your other conversations, ensuring you won't forget to come back to it later. And that's it. You've successfully marked your Viber chat as unread, making it easier to manage your conversations and remember which messages still need your attention. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.